Going into third year, yada yada, yeah. I got this.
You've got it.
Going into third year, I'm on film and TV, and I'm the social media coordinator for the festival. We work on film sets, so doing social media work and media work in general is a big change for me, so just learning the job roles really has been really interesting.
Really enjoyed having that access to behind the stage, getting close up to the artists and the performances. That's been really enjoyable. Getting involved in certain acts, yeah, just being part of the crowd really.
During Victorious, I've learned quite a few new skills. What I've really picked up on is working with clients and keeping everything running just as it should be.
I've really enjoyed this weekend, kind of being able to use the equipment, learn a lot about kind of working as a production crew, enjoying the weekend, seeing a few acts, kind of having a great time.
The thing that I've enjoyed the most is capturing all the happy faces and everyone having a great time. When there's times that I'm not working, I also have the opportunity to enjoy these acts.
I've been overseeing all of the actions and everything that's been going on. I've been looking over the editing process. I've also been organising all of the crew interviews. I've also learned how to direct and manage people to make sure that I can get the shots that we need and making sure that just everything runs smoothly really.